Hi, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today I'm going to go over a cargo manager made by Roll & Lock. Now, as you can see from this video here, this is an A-series all-metal Roll & Lock that we actually installed about a month ago. And the customer has ordered a cargo manager to go with his Roll & Lock. And today I'm going to show you what we've done. So let's take a good look. What is the cargo manager? Well, it's a movable divider for the back of your bed. And let's go ahead and open up this. And you can see that cover does open up very nice. Now, what's nice about this particular divider, most dividers are kind of locked in place. This is specifically made by Roll & Lock for the Roll & Lock covers. Now, unfortunately, if you have another cover, chances are it will not work. Even though at one time I did do one of these on another cover, and the only reason I did it is because the dealership told the customer they would work together. I had to do a lot of modifications to make the work, and I asked the dealership, please don't lie to my customers or your customers. But as you can see here, I'm going to come over here. This is your release mechanism here. And as you can see, I'm going to kind of do my best here, hold the camera and show you how it works. But basically, it slides all the way along the track here. If you look in the sides here, you'll see there's an extra rail that goes in here, which basically is what holds the cargo manager in place. So let's kind of scroll around here. And that is the reason it was able to move back and forth. Now this is very convenient because if you want to put some groceries in here and you don't want them sliding all the way around here, it does hold them in place. And it does come with these two bungees do come with it, so you can actually secure a few things for it. And as you can see, it has many those little holes there. I don't know if you can see in the video there. Those are the different spots where it will lock in place. So there's quite a few of them. So you can put it pretty much anywhere. Now again, this was made specifically for this truck, and these are designed, if you notice, it will go over the wheel wells. It has the cuts for that. And it does have a little bit of clearance on the bottom, which is good because, as you can see, this customer did put a mat here. And Roll & Lock, in their wisdom, did give a space underneath there. So if you put a bed rug or any other mat underneath it, it will still clear it, which is very good. And of course, the most important thing, the cover works very nice with it, as you can see here. And that locks over. See, looks good, very functional. Now, if you like what you see here, please hit the like button. We do appreciate that. And of course, subscribing to our channel. We're trying to get to our magic 1,000 subscribers, and we're moving along, but we do need your help. So help us with that. Also, if you say, you know, I got a Roll & Lock and I would love to get that cargo manager, well, contact us. You can go to our website. You can call the store, or you can come into our showroom here in Margate. As you can see, we are a brick and mortar store. I know a lot of places you order stuff online. They're just some guy selling out of his garage, and if you have a problem, well, they don't really take good care of you. But as you can see here, we actually have a full store here, and we do offer installations. Now, if you buy it from us and you're having questions on the installation, we'll walk you through it. Unfortunately, since we are very busy, and if you did not purchase it from us, we just don't have the time to walk you through it. But if you do purchase it, we always make time for you. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and this is the Cargo Manager.